So once again I will tell you, we need some container or some storage place to store some water so we can use it for other purposes. So can we see some points? So some areas do not have enough water. So can you see the picture here? Even if you have seen in films or even in TVs, you will see some deserts like places, right? It will be so hot and there will be no water over there. There will be little amount of water. Am I right, children? So people in these areas bring water from longer distance. Have you ever seen this picture in films or anything, children? Have you ever seen pictures like this? Have seen this? Yes, we have seen pictures like this because they will be storing a water in some pots and they will be bringing it from a longer distance because they will be having only little amount of water. So there are some places they do not have enough water. So these people, what they will do is, they will bring water from a longer distance in a pot or in a jar or in anything like as shown in the picture. Sometimes the water supply gets disrupted in emergencies. So I think you children have noticed and you may not have noticed. There will be some breakage of pipes or anything, so we won't be having water. Does it happen in your home? Does it happen in your home? This kind of that breakage of pipe, or you will be breaking the, yes, leakage. Yes, Vihan, you are right. Yes, there will be breakage of pipes or anything, so we won't be having water for a longer time. So this has happened even in my home. So I was not having water for a longer time. So there are some kind of disruptions. So there is some emergency. So we'll be using, if we are storing some water aside, we can use it during that time. So during that emergency time, we can use those water. That's why we are storing water. Can you understand, children? So why we are storing water? So if there is any kind of emergency, like there is any breakage of pipe, even you guys will be breaking the pipe and there won't be any water supply for a while. So at that time, you can use the water that you are stored. Got it, children? So that's why we have to store water on daily basis. So you have to store some water and you have to use. Water can be stored in clean and closed containers like buckets, drums and tanks. Can you see the black tank here, children? Do you have this tank in your home? Yes, Yokesh, you are right. Even during electricity down. Yes. You're right, you're right. So yes, even we are using the tank to store some amount of water. So even I have a big tank in my home. So we'll be storing a lot of water. So we'll be using it for some purpose. So we won't be wasting it. So do you children waste water? Do you children waste water? Yes. Yes, very much. I think I have to ask Vihan about this. Yes, Vihan, tell me, do you waste water?
Yes, ma'am.
Why you are wasting water, dear? Why are you wasting water? You like to play in water, huh?
Yes, ma'am.
What, Vihan? Oh, you like to play in water?
Yes.
Oh, that's why you are wasting water, huh?
I wash my toys in water.
Oh, you wash your toys in water, huh? Okay, that's really nice. Okay.
I
That's really... What, Vihan?
I love beach, ma'am.
Oh, you love beach, huh? That's so
Yes.
sweet. Even I love beach, Vihan. I fight for you. Okay, that's really nice. That was a genuine answer, actually. So what Vihan was telling us, he will be washing his toys with some water, huh? So that's why he's wasting it. So even he loves to play with water. He loves beach. That's really nice. So anyways, but Vihan, you should not waste your water. So water is precious one, so you should not waste it. Maybe you can have a bucket of water and you can use it in a little way. So don't waste water. Okay, Vihan? Okay, save water because stop leakage, I asked. Okay, okay, that's really nice. So during leakage time, you will be saving water and you will be using it. That's really nice. Okay, play in rain, Adila. Wow, Adila, even I like to play in rain, but my mom won't be allowing. That's really nice to see the answer. Yes, sometimes playing. Okay, Zain, even you will be playing in water. Okay. Oh, Sarvesh. Okay. I know, Sarvesh, you will be playing. No. Okay. That was so genuine answers. That's really nice to hear. Okay. So once again, we while taking shower. Okay. They are my students, so they are like me. Really nice. Nice to hear. That's nice, Akshara, but not for a longer time. You can make it as for a shorter duration. You can take shower and you can play a little while. Okay, so we can discuss the need for storage again. So what we were discussing, children? Yes, that's really nice, Akshara. Need for storage of water. What was the first thing we were discussing? There were no place that they have enough water. There will be little amount of water they will be having, like even you have seen in deserts and everything, there will be only little amount of water. Okay, so what they will be doing is, they will be bringing water in a pot or in a big container, and what they will be doing, they will be taking it from a longer distance. They'll be taking it from a longer distance, and what they will be doing, they will be storing it in their home. They won't be having any taps or anything in their home. In such places, they won't be having taps like us. Like we have 8 taps, 10 taps and everything. So likewise, they won't be having any taps. So they have to bring water from a longer distance and they will be storing it in their home. So they will be using it for drinking. As you all said, yes, they will be using it for drinking, washing and everything. So even storing water is important. Why, children? Why storing water is important? Yes, Alia. Tell me why storing water is important.
Because that is the essential thing.
Okay, that's okay, Alia. So you can hear it now. So during emergency time, we can use those stored waters. I told you, right? If there is any breakage in pipes or anything, so if there is no power, even as Yokesh said, if there is no power, we won't be having some water, right? So at that time, we can use water. You got it, Alia?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, that's really nice. So, okay, I can see some answers for future with emergency. Yes, yes, Pavitra, Saishan, Zain, Yokesh, that's really nice. Yes, during emergency time. So, if you don't have power, that is, you don't have electricity for one day, what will happen? You won't be having water, you won't be having charge for anything likewise. So, what you have to do is, you have to store water daily. In daily basis, you have to store some water in a bucket or in a container so that you can use it for future purpose. Yes, in summer season, yes. Yes, Akshara, that's right. Yes, Divesh Guru. Yes, in summer season, we'll be needing so much of water because it's heat. Yes, we suffered because of no electricity. Yes, Mahat, even I had that situation there was no electricity for a while, so we were suffering with without water. So that's why we decided to store water. Store rainwater and use. Yes, Adila. Yes, even we are doing it. So we have to store rainwater because most of the rainwater are getting into the ground. So even we are using it, but you can store some rainwater so you can use it for future purposes. That's really nice. You children are so interactive. I can see some answers. That's really nice. So these are the needs for storage of water. Next, we are going to see needs for judicious use of water. So, needs for judicious use of water. So, what is the first point you can see, children? What is the first point? It's precious. Yes, water is very precious. You should not waste it. Okay? I think you children have did that, but hereafter they won't be doing it, parents. Yes, they'll be saving all the water. So they won't play, they won't waste, they will play, but they won't waste. I can assure you that. So what is the first point? So water is precious. We must save it. So what is the first point again? Water is precious. We have to save it. So what is the second point? We must not waste a single drop of water, as every drop counts. So you should not waste water. What was the first point? First point was it is a precious one. Okay. What is the second one, children? Don't waste water because every single drop is precious. You got it, children? Next. Can you hear me? Can everyone hear me? Children, can you hear me? Yeah, okay. There was sudden disconnect, sorry. Okay. So what was the first point we were discussing? It is a precious one. So what is the second? Don't waste water. That is, we should not waste water. So even there are some points, we should be very judicious while using the water, because water is very essential for all the organisms living on the earth. So as I told you before, water is very essential, children. So you should not waste it. So if you are wasting it, in future you won't be getting any water, or it will be very problematic in future. So you should not waste water. So without water, no one can survive. Am I right, children? So without drinking water, will you survive? Without drinking water or without using water, will you be able to survive? Yes, you cannot survive without water, children. So you should not waste it. Without water, no one can survive. Even animals cannot survive without water. Insects and everything cannot survive without water. We should take only that much of water which we can use. So even while bathing, I have seen I was doing it, but now I am not doing it. So we will be yes, as Akshara said, we'll be playing in shower, and we'll be wasting more water. So you should not do that, children. So you can take a bucket of water and you can use it, and you can have a nice bath, and you can be settled down. Okay, children, you should take as much of water you can, and you cannot waste it. Okay, children, so we should reduce the wastage of water. So the wastage of water should be reduced. Okay, children, I think you all got it. So can we discuss it again? So what was the first point I was telling you? Water is a precious one. Okay, water is a precious one. What is the second point I was telling? You should not waste even a drop of water. Okay, because every drop is precious. Okay, children, what is the next thing I was telling you? Every organism, every living thing needs water. So you should not waste it. So there is no possibility to live without water. I told you, right? So we cannot survive without water. So what is the next point I was telling you? You should take only as much of water you can. Okay, so you should not waste it by having a big container and you having a lot of water and you are playing with it. So you should not do that, children. So water, as I told you, water is very precious. So you should not do it. What is the last one? We should reduce the wastage of water. We should reduce the wastage of water. So these are the points, children. I hope you all got it. I think you all got the importance of water. I want one of you to elaborate what we were discussing in need of judicious use of water. Maybe in your own words you can tell me.
Sarvesh.
Yes, Kavan. Tell me need for judicious use of water. You can tell that in your own words, whatever you have understood. You can tell me that. So how to use water, dear?
Water is a precious thing.
Yes, it's a precious one. Yes.
Don't waste water.
Yes, you should not waste water and
Fix the leakage.
yeah, it is okay. It's not fixing. We didn't go to that point. Even I was telling you something, right? Some other point? Can you remember that?
Need for
Ma'am is asking what ma'am told. Why we need to save water like this and all.
So it's okay, no problem, Kavan. That's okay, Kavan. You tried really well. Thank you so much. What was the third point I was telling you? Third point was all living organisms need water. I told you, right? All living organisms need water. So, Kavan, I think you got it. The third point I was telling you, all the living beings need water. So, what is the fourth point I was telling you? Without water, we cannot survive. Without water, we cannot survive. What is the fifth point I was telling you? So, you should take only as much of water that you can use. You should not waste. You should not take a lot of water and you should not waste it. So that's the thing. And the last one is reduce the wastage of water. Even if your mom is wasting some water, what you have to tell? No, mama, no, you should not waste the water. You should say like that. Okay, children? If your mom is wasting, what you have to do? Shan, tell me. If your mom is wasting water, what you should say to her?
don't waste water.
Tell me, Shan. Yes, you should know. You should tell her that don't waste water, mama. Water is precious. You have to tell like that, okay?
Yes, ma'am. Okay,
Yes,
ma'am.
that's really nice. Yes, that's really nice, Shan. Very nice. So, I want Vihan to answer this. Vihan, are you there? Vihan? Can you click on the question mode? Yes. Vihan, there is a question for you. If your mom is playing with toys and if she is washing the toys with water and she is wasting it, what you will do? She's wasting a lot of water. What you will say?
What you will
Don't waste water.
Okay,
Water
sure
is
you will tell her.
very
Okay, that's really nice. Okay, you should tell her, Vihan. Okay? If she's wasting water, you have to tell her.
Okay.
Very nice, Vihan. That's nice to hear from you, children. So this is the end of the topic. That is today's end of the session. So if you have any questions, you can ask me. Do you have any questions, parents, children? Do you have any questions? Yes, you have to reduce wastage of water. Yes, Adila, that's right. Do you have any questions? Parents, children, do you have any questions? Yes, Vihan, I can see you. Hi, Vihan. How are you? Okay, I think there is no questions for you all. So I have two things to update you. So from next week, we'll be having our internal assessment. Once again, from next week, we'll be having our internal assessment and we'll be posting the timetable and date. So don't worry about that. I'm just updating you all. Once again, from next week onwards, we'll be having internal assessment for all the subjects. So this internal assessment will be happening only during homework session. So kindly be available at the homework session, children, parents mainly. So please be available at the homework session. So because we don't want to disturb this